What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we just got a few things I want to kind of talk about. Number one, I did want to bring up the whole squads situation. I'm getting a lot of people hit me up asking, can they join the squad? Can they join the crew and all this stuff? So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle that here in just a moment. But also, this video is probably going to be the same day as I'm about to shoot like 4 or 5 videos today. I'm going over some of the homies' cars, so this one might be out of order, but we'll go ahead and get to that. So I did want to go over the car as well, because there's been some people asking some questions about it. I'm going to be doing a full overview of the car here in a week. This video is probably going to come out before that one, so it might be my next video that comes out after this, but I'm actually going to have my side skirts as soon as they come in and get installed. Then I'll do that video. But yeah, this is the car in the present, what it looks like now. Just added that. I do want to go that color for the brakes. Probably going to do a big brake kit instead of just painting these brakes. See how affordable it is now, so thinking I'm gonna go that route. I have my eyes on a new set of wheels too, but they are pretty expensive, so it might be a while before I do that. Also had quite a few people asking about the screws on a diffuser. Didn't have to get screwed in, but we were having some issues with the tape sticking. We tried different tape and we had the same problem with the 3M. It keeps coming up there and here. The left side is okay, but I don't know, seems to work. It's not crazy noticeable. I mean, I know it's there, but it kind of blends in a little bit. I'm not too worried about it, and no issues here. I thought that might touch and rub and melt, but nope, still good. So far, so good. Alright, so in terms of everybody asking about joining the squad, it's not really an official squad that I'm in. I got a bunch of homies that run squads and everything. I usually say squad or homies or anything, but it's really just people I'm cool with. Yeah, if you're interested in just trying to come out and meet up with us, you definitely take a look on my Instagram as well as the Facebook groups. Facebook groups will probably be the better bet, because if somebody else is posting an event or hosting an event, they'll post up in there and you'll be able to most likely find somebody in your area to kind of coordinate with. Right now we got one of the homies who just posted about a meet in New York. I think it's gonna be in Brooklyn. I don't remember the exact date, but I think it was around July 11th, somewhere around there, I think. But yeah, that should be in the actual Facebook group. It might even be past then by the time I'm posting this, but whatever. You'll be able to see stuff like that. I did reshare that one because I do have some homies in New York who will be interested in that. So I try to coordinate stuff like that, like, hey, they're doing this, if you guys want to swing through, you can. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I mean, follow them on Instagram. Some of them I'm friends with on Facebook, but yeah, it's not really a dedicated squad. I do plan to get some stickers made, but it might not be for any of these specific groups. Most of the groups I'm in, I'm an admin but not running. Like in Florida Ultima, technically. I mean, I'm the only admin I think still that has an Ultima, but that's still not my group. That's still a joint effort there. I mean, I'm even admin in the 6th gen as well. The one that I do run that's mine is the Nissan Times Infinity, and DMV Nissan Times Infinity. Those are mine. Like, I'm the full one. I created those. I do have a lot of ties in the higher ones. Even the my 8th gen Maxima, I'm pretty much the only one who's active in terms of the admin groups. The other two don't really do too much in the group. But yeah, it's not my group, so that's just kind of how it goes. So yeah, always jump in the Facebook groups and post up. Like, even if you're like, oh, I'm out in so and so area and nobody ever wants to meet up, post it up. Post up your car. Say, hey, is there anybody in this area or close by? And you'll be surprised on how many people show up. Like, you even got homies who was like, oh, I'm the only one in Louisiana, and then posted that, and they got other people say, hey, no, I'm here, I'm in Louisiana. Or even sometimes you'll have somebody say, hey, I'm going to be in Louisiana for such and such time. So yeah, it's always something you could meet up with people, get to know people, because that's what happened when I was in Maryland. Found those guys really quick, and then next thing you know, we got the DMV Ultimates group created, and we hang out. I mean, you're not always gonna have everybody who's down to meet up and this and that, but I mean, it's better to try and see. That's what I say. But yeah, again, I don't have a dedicated squad like where I need a banner and everything. I chill with everybody. I'm cool with everybody, so it is what it is. But yeah, I do appreciate everybody reaching out to me. But I have had a lot of people reach out asking, can they join the squad, or on the post say, hey, I want to be a part of your squad. So that's the truth about that. So, but yeah, I'm not gonna drag this video on too much longer. I got a lot of stuff to do today, a lot of videos to do. So yeah, so if you see me wearing this outfit and a couple videos coming up, you'll know why. I'm probably gonna change because I still gotta wash the car. Once I wash the car, I know I'm gonna have to shower, so most likely I will be wearing something else. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all for the support. The channel's been growing crazy. I still have like 82% of the people who watch the actual videos aren't subscribed, so it will definitely help the channel and help me out if you do subscribe and like and even drop a comment here and there. It really helps the algorithm and help me get suggested, and the more that happens, the more that'll come into the channel, and I can actually start making money to do more stuff in terms of mods and all that. But anyway, even if you're just watching, I do appreciate it, and I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one. Peace.